Call of Duty Mobile? Are you experiencing lag or unstable gameplay? On Rapidguide channel, I'll show you a few simple ways to improve your connection and performance. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Close unnecessary apps running in the background, then restart Call of Duty Mobile before playing. Inside the game, open Settings, go to Audio and Graphics and lower the graphics quality if your device is struggling. You can also reduce extra visual effects and select a higher frame rate if your device supports it. Finally, make sure your game and phone software are updated. Follow Rapidguide for more COD Mobile tutorials and gaming guides.
We've taken the lead. Hunter kill.